Hey guys, this week we're talking all about summer cocktails. What's up guys, welcome back to gentslounge. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and today, some summer cocktails, specifically the Spritz. Now this is like one of the most perfect summer cocktails because it's light, refreshing, and it's definitely made to be drank during the day in the hot sun, and it's going to keep you cool, keep you hydrated, but also get you a little buzz. So, there's an Aperol Spritz, which is probably the most famous of the Spritzes, but you can make them with Amaro, Campari, and today we're going to use one of my favorite brands, Lo-Fi aperitifs. So if you guys aren't familiar with Aperol, Campari, or Amaro, it's essentially kind of like a mix of a vermouth with a bitter. So you got that fortified wine in there, but then there's some herbs and spices which give it, a little spicy or bitter flavor sometimes, which is what's mostly associated with Campari and Aperol. So when it comes to making cocktails, guys, you really want to make sure you have the best ingredients possible, especially in a simple cocktail. Like a Spritz only has 3 ingredients: Persecco, the liqueur you're using, and soda water, which is why today we are using Lo-Fi aperitifs Amaro, which is made from Napa wine with some herbs and spices in there, and it is phenomenal. I freaking love it. Aperol and Campari, for me personally, are a little on the bitter side, so if you're not a bitter fan, I don't know if those were the first ones that I would jump into, but you can always do less of the liqueur, more Prosecco, and a little more soda water to kind of level things out to your own taste. So today we're going to make the Classic Spritz in the classic ratio that is standard across the Spritz category, but feel free to adjust the ratio to however you like it. So what you want to do is grab a wine glass, fill it with ice, take 2 ounces of your liqueur, so your Amaro, your Campari, your Aperol, pour that in the wine glass, and then top with 3 ounces of Prosecco, and then 1 ounce of soda water, and then garnish with an orange, and you are done. It is really that simple, but it is the perfect cocktail for summer. It's classic. So that's pretty much wraps up this video. This week we are doing a summer cocktail series, so all the videos this week will be different summer cocktails. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next, or what your favorite summer cocktail is. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here every week. And if you have not followed us on Instagram at gentslounge, give us a follow over there. And cheers to summer, guys. Have a good one.